Hello from Slovenia again. So this is what is left on the table from my previous pour, and what I will do, I will scrape this paint and apply it to some MDF boards, and I will do a double dip with it. It will be kind of my background. And maybe I will put this paint just on one MDF board and apply just black on the other. I will see. Just have to scrape this first. I know that maybe some people already know these techniques, but there is always new people that want to know how to use that and how to do this, that, or this. So here is my paint on the board. I will just tilt it a little bit because it's too much paint. Sometimes you can just apply scrape paint and put it on the canvas, other canvas or MDF board or something, and you can still get something nice out of it. This is the way that you can use your paint from a plastic too. But today I will do a double dip, I think. Don't want to have too much paint on there. See, but because you can see some nice things too if you just apply this on canvas, and I will just spread this just to wet down my other not canvas, MDF board. Sometimes these just don't work, and because I don't have a lot of colors, I'm afraid that this will be maybe a little dark, but we will see. If you don't try, you don't know. It's only paint. I know that it's quite expensive, but it's still just paint. I will just add some black here first. And pearl white. Alizarian violet, not violet, alizarian red. And I will still have some leftover paint after this, and then I can dip some coasters or made some jewelry. It's always a lot of things that you can do. 24 karat gold, and let's do some dots of this red, not the whole lines, I don't know. Okay, and now I will put this one on top of that one, and don't worry about the back because I will seal. What is the word when you use this? Sand. I will sand them. Sand, not seal. Okay. And let's slowly pull this apart. This is what I was afraid of, that it will be just too dark. And there is not a lot of lacing and everything. I forgot that my torch died, so I will have to torch it later. Just have to see. No, I don't have another one. Where is my other torch that I used to use, the butane torch? I don't know where I stored that one. Lost it. Okay, it should work. So this is one way, but I really think that it's just too dark, and I will just try to add some gold and redip it, and pearl white only. Okay, and I already take off my gloves, and I will just take them back, put them back. Sorry. Maybe there will be way too much paint now, but I just thought that it's too dark. I want to brighten it up a little bit. If this will be better, maybe. Yes. And now it's much better for my taste, at least. I'll just put them closer, and I will just add up, put down my gloves. And maybe just dip these parts a little bit. Just add some black. Okay, let's see if I can kind of camouflage this part here too. When it will dry, it will not be as visible. And I will refill my torch and torch it later, but I still think that now it's much better, even though that I don't have a lot of lacing. Oh, it's totally empty. Totally empty. So I will take you down anyway. Sorry, but these things happen sometimes. So here it is, and still you see I have some left over that I can dip some jewelry, cabochons for a jewelry, and have these two paintings that I really like now. I should have done this in the first place, just add gold and white to brighten it up, but sometimes you just forgot. I love this tree look things that happens with this double dip technique. So this is another way to create a neat painting with leftovers from flower dips or dips. You just do double dip in, and again you get totally different result, but neat. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4th video, and next one with the same color palette. I don't know which way of creating flowers I will add for this one. Stay tuned and see you on the next one. Bye!